The Antidote in 90 seconds. Eden, Exile, Restoration. Genesis 2 shows God's original economy. He plants the garden. He provides the tree of life. And man lives inside divine provision. Genesis 3 shows the blockage. Man is removed. The tree of life is guarded. And the curse enters. Jubilees 10 is the intervention. God restores protection and gives Noah the antidote, wisdom. Jeremiah 29 is the antidote. Build, plant, increase, and walk in God's thoughts of peace, even in captivity. Revelation 22 is the restoration. The tree of life returns. The curse is removed, and healing flows to the nations. Eden lost, Eden restored. That's the antidote.